The care I've received from the dentists within Edgar Building's dental care has been amazing. Very clear about what they think needs to be done, very realistic about what can be achieved and when it can be achieved, but also very supportive and very positive. I mean, a lot of dentists could well have said, well, you've got too many problems here for us to deal with, but I've never found that with them at all. My mouth was a complete mess, really. I think I'd got to a stage where everything was really falling apart. I don't think I had a tooth that was not without some kind of problems. And for me, one of the biggest things was the fact I had a kind of low level of what doctors call discomfort, but normal people would call actual pain, quite a lot of the time. I used to carry around a paracetamol all the time, and I was finding it quite difficult eating. I hadn't realised quite how much my menu choices had been directed by the fact that I wasn't really able to chew anything without risking losing bits of filling or bits of tooth. And after a while, if you're living like that, you become used to it. And now I look back at that and I find that amazing because I don't feel like that at all anymore. I always think that the treatment here is very much holistic. People here look at the whole picture. You don't feel you're dealing with lots of different people who don't refer to each other. You certainly have the feeling that whoever you're dealing with knows what other problems and issues you've had. I think the team members here are great. I think they are a team. I think that's what's nice. They obviously have good training. The support staff, they seem to know what the overall objectives and ethos of the organisation is, which again is not always what you find. I would say level of care here is tremendous. What I particularly admired was the way that everything was explained to me so well. You not only get a full explanation of what's happening at each stage, you get a full explanation about what might happen over the next few days in terms of discomfort and what to do if there's any problems. I've always had a phone call the day afterwards asking if I've got any issues or any problems. The treatment's made a massive difference to my life. It's the sort of thing that once you're mended, it's easy to forget how bad it was. I used to always have a handbag full of paracetamol, and I don't think I've even got a pill about me now if I needed to, because I'd have to go and buy one because I just don't think I'm going to need them anymore. It's changed the way I eat tremendously. I can eat meat like now. I just eat what I want now, and I don't even think about it. It's made an amazing difference. I think once you've come here, you don't really want to go anywhere else. I certainly don't.